salt is sweet upon the morning breeze.
In Cervia, the air is full of ease.
We've traveled miles from every hidden shore to find the friends we've met so many times before.
In 2026 we gather here, beneath the blue where all the skies are clear. Oh, look at the colors that dance in the sun.
Dance in the sun.
For every kite flyer, the magic's begun. Dragons and ribbons and cats flying high, painting a dream on the canvas of sky. Friends from the north and friends from the south, with joy in our hands and a song in our mouth.
We share a smile, we share a brand new story.
In the simple light of the Adriatic glory.
Alex Cat Kites is just one of the band, beside all the makers from every land.
A family woven from the strings that we hold,
A festival spirit that never grows old.
and there's a heart that brings us all near.
Katerina,
Your kindness has guided us here. You gather the dreamers, you open the door, and give us a heaven upon this bright shore. Oh, look at the colors